Welcome back to another video, and today I am in a different location. You know, we're trying to change it up here on the channel, try some new things. So if you like what we doing over here in this corner, let a girl know and press that subscribe button so that you can be a part of this family, because we growing and it's finna get lit, okay? Hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload. Today I want to give you guys, whoever is going into high school or whoever's in high school, 10 tips that I wish I knew before I went to high school. Maybe this could help save someone, okay? A lot of time, a lot of energy. This is in no particular order. These are just 10 things that I wish I knew. So it's not really like an order of importance. But here they go. The first thing I wish that I knew when going to high school or when I was in high school, especially as a freshman though, is self-defense. That can go for like bullying, or even if it's just like verbal abuse. Believe it or not, I used to get bullied. Be prepared, learn self-defense, and just hope that you never have to use it. For verbal abuse, I would say you can try coming with them comebacks, because sometimes when you be shooting on people and you say something that they didn't even know that you knew, you just shut them up real quick, okay? Don't be with friends that is gonna let other people talk about you and not say nothing. You know, like if you can't think of something to say for your own self to defend yourself, don't be with other people that will accept it too. Like, hey, I guess he got you on that one. Like, that's lame. Sometimes it's better just not to say nothing. Like, I'm not saying take the verbal abuse. I would say tell a teacher, or tell your parents, or tell somebody who has like higher authority. Because sometimes people just do that for like the attention. They just want to get a reaction out of you. Tip number 2 is be patient with your growth, because you're still growing. You're still growing physically, mentally, emotionally. For some of y'all, spiritually. And especially for the guys, like, please just, if you complaining about like what you look like now, just shut up. Just shut up. Because y'all puberty is like I feel like it's way more expensive than the girls, because like y'all are gonna get stupid tall, like dummy tall, some of y'all. And then you get like muscle mass, especially when you start working out. And y'all know. Tip number 3 is change is scary, but sometimes it can be good. Like, change isn't always a bad thing. Change is the #1 constant in the world. Tip number 4, high school is more than just the academics. It's about the social skills, man. Trust me. When you face drama, or you trying to negotiate things about your grades with the teachers, in addition with getting an education, because I do feel like you should complete high school. College is a different story. We got different opinions on that. That's another video for another day. Just also know that another benefit of it is learning social skills. Why do you need social skills? Because if you don't know how to interact with people in the real world, like once you're out of that stage, it's gonna be a little rough on you to navigate your way through some situations in life. Tip number 5 is building your self-esteem now. It might be a little rough because high school is like a weird place, Becky. I would say try and build your self-esteem while you're in high school. Do things that would promote self-care, self-help, self-love. Write yourself little post-it notes around your room telling you compliments, or put them around your mirror and like make yourself like recite them every day. Do affirmations, have self-assurance by doing little things like that. Number 6 is I would advise everybody in high school to learn a new language, and it'll also help you in the workplace, in real life, in situations, like to know a second language. Number 7 is have your small group of friends or whatever, but know that you don't need to be like popular. Because sometimes being popular is not like where you want to be. The grass is always greener on the other side. But if you're like trying to be something that you're not, and you just want the approval of like others so much, it's gonna really wear on you, because you'll start making sacrifices and doing things that you either A, have no business doing, or B, that go against whatever you feel like is you, and it's gonna make you unhappy in the end. Actually, you should develop a sense of like I don't give a in high school. Not towards everything, guys, but like towards the things that like don't matter. Number 8 is after high school, people don't care as much as you think they do. People really don't. If you're worried about like how you should wear your hair, or how you should wear your clothes, it really just doesn't matter, guys. Do you, honestly, because at the end of the day, you got one life to live. And you might be overthinking it sometimes. If you don't care, why should they? Number 9 is don't wait to get your driver's license. It's really a hassle if you wait, and it's an inconvenience to others, and it's an inconvenience on yourself, because you will start wanting to be independent when it starts coming to times where you want to go places and you have places to be and people to see and things to do, and people cannot inconvenience themselves to take you, then you're gonna want to start driving. And last but not least, tip number 10 is the habits you create now, guys. A lot of them, if not like all, are the ones that will stick with you. If you are constantly late to school, if you are always complaining and not even realize it and be annoying to other people, or just have like wonder like why you don't have a lot of friends or why people don't want to be around you. So like try and create good habits while you're in high school now. It's like, because the habits you make now will stick with you. Alright guys, that's the end of all of my tips. If you enjoyed it, like I said, give it a thumbs up and like the video. Share it with your mom, your dad, your family, and your friends. Put it on your social media. Put it on your Instagram stories. Put it on Snapchat. Other than that, guys, I hope you all have a blessed day. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I see you guys in my next video. Later.
So I hit it like woo 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 woo. You know how the kids do. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah, alley alley you when I'm in my